that motorcyclist. I mean, that was insane passing. And way, way above the speed limit. Stopping, stopping, stopping. Exactly. He's still typing. Very good evidence. Red card. 6 points. Toba, toba, toba. BT22 Zulu Golf Lima. And he caught my attention simply because of his bad positioning and being halfway into the cycle lane. So he's clearly talking to the phone.
Okay.
Hello there. Are you meant to be having a handheld conversation while driving along?
Okay, you're right.
I am going to report it to the police, so you'll have 2 weeks in order to wait and see whether they send you a letter. That's shocking, mate. Papa Echo 56 Whiskey Yankee Hotel. He's lucky. What do you think is going to happen next? I'm going to report it to the police, so you got 2 weeks to wait for a letter of asking for you to identify the driver yourself, and then yeah, I guess I'll see you in court. Very bad. Playing a game, for God's sakes, carry on. It's not doing anything by stopping. Whiskey Romeo 19 Yankee Golf Lima.